How do I override a Craftsman lawn tractor backup switch? Craftsman is the manufacturer of a large range of lawnmowers, trimmers and other landscaping equipment. Additionally, Craftsman makes riding lawn tractors. The safety backup switch is an electrical device that automatically disengages the tractor's blades when the vehicle is placed in reverse. The safety feature is included so the driver does not accidentally run over objects on the ground, while in reverse, that could cause damage to the blades, shaft or mower deck. However, the backup switch can be temporarily disabled. Things you'll need: wrench. Access the Craftsman's engine compartment by lifting the front end into the upward position. Remove the negative battery cable with a wrench. Lower the tractor's cutting deck height to its lowest setting. Access the backup switch by reaching up from above the right wheel to behind the shifter and grasping the backup switch. Unplug the Craftsman backup switch from the plastic wiring harness and then replace the tractor's negative battery cable.